Okay guys, so here I am at Readers Distributors, wholesale of petroleum products. See if I can pick up some 100 octane race fuel or see what I need to get to make the Demon run to its full potential.
First, I want to congratulate you on that new car that you got. That's going to be a lot of fun, and I wish you the best with it. I know when you're looking to dyno that baby, you're going to want to have the best gas in it that you can. And this MS-109 that you're getting here will give you absolutely the best performance in an unleaded fuel that you can get. The 109, a lot of people are using it, and it really gives you tremendous performance. And you'll see that everything that you want in that car will help you with this gasoline here. So good luck to you. I wish you the best, and I'm expecting a copy of this thing as soon as you get it all set up. Dyno that ought to really set that thing free.
Yes,
so
sir.
Have a fun day, and man, congratulations on that really cool car.
Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.
All right, bye-bye.
I'm Service Advisor Vince with Metro Dodge. We're going to check in Demonology to get their Go Fast parts installed the right way.
Hey, what's up guys? Here with Demonology. Today we're installing all the crate options for his Dodge Demon, number 638. Today we're installing the upgraded PCM, the air filter, our cluster with the high octane fuel option, and the bezel with that custom nameplate on there up front. Pretty good. You have more surface area for it to.
You think that's what it is? It has more, is it bigger?
Or just
it does.
The microns on the filter itself are a lot larger, allow more air through it. You compare the inside of it too. So I'm curious as well.
It's definitely a little difference in what the wheel just see.
That's right, we're doing better and better.
All right, guys, I'm back at Gearhead to get the Demon dynoed again. This time I have MS-109. Look who we got here. We got Travis, the owner.
How's it going? So we got that car, put it back on the dyno, the Demon.
Yep, we're gonna put it on there and see what we can get.
All right. Any questions about the dyno stuff? Or anything?
Yeah, what kind of dyno are you running here, Travis?
And we got a couple different dynos. The one that we generally use just to make inertial runs and stuff on it is the Dyno Jet 224, which is pretty much like the industry standard, what pretty much everybody uses. Most of your smaller shops and stuff use that dyno quite a bit.
Okay, and real quick, where's Gearheads located at?
It's in Arlington. It's in actually South Arlington.
Okay, I know you guys are famous for doing Mustangs,
yeah.
but y'all do more than Mustangs.
Oh
correct?
yeah, we do. I mean, I've been doing the Mustang stuff since the early '90s, but primarily, I would say our business is probably 65% Mustangs, but we do, we do GM cars, Dodges, Camaros, Corvettes, pretty much anything that's performance related. Try to stay away from the import stuff. So,
Okay. Well, hey, there you go, guys. We heard straight from the owner of Gearheads. Let's get this car in here and see what it does. Then we're getting the MS-109 race gas put in it. Guys, what can you tell us about this gas here?
It's an oxygenated fuel, so it's going to carry oxygen in with it. It's going to burn a little bit hotter, a little bit quicker.
My name's Joey. I've worked here at Gearheads for 7 years now. Pretty fun setup. Get to work on a bunch of fast cars, get paid to do it. Take off here, shift up, starting out in first gear, going up to 6th gear, which is 1-to-1 ratio in this transmission because it's an 8-speed tranny. And then I'll hold the RPMs about 2,500, and then I'll press the green button and floor it and see what this thing does. We hit the SRT button twice, and that automatically puts the car in drag race mode. And then we're going over here to the Octane button, turning it so it knows to have good gas in the tank. And now we're going to see what it'll do. 776. High octane button picks up about 50 horsepower.
Cooking souls, cooking souls.
Guys, so we're back here with Travis, the owner of Gearheads, after running the car. We ran it back to back. We also ran it without the high octane button, and we ran it with the high octane button. And Travis is going to explain the numbers that he's seeing.
Okay, pretty simple. What we got HT here is the top number here, which is the 704 663. If you remember when we did the other video, that showed what it was basically out of the box on 93 octane. So the car made the 704 663 torque. Today, with the PCM and stuff added to it and the high octane, with the high octane button pressed, which is going to give it the maximum amount of timing and stuff, because it knows, the computer knows, hey, we can support with the fuel and stuff, we can support the added extra timing and stuff in it. So it was able to make 776 and 710 torque, and that's at the rear wheels. With the high octane button not pressed, and obviously that's pretty much the mode where it's going to be a little bit safer. It's going to keep some of the timing and stuff out of it, kind of give you a little bit of margin for error, I guess you could say. It dropped the power down to 728 and 650. Now the torque dropped a little bit, but that's because these runs, a lot of these runs were made back to back. So heat and everything and air charge temperature affecting everything is going to kill some of the power a little bit over time. So obviously if we sit there and let the car cool off and let it cool off between, so many runs and stuff, those numbers can vary a little bit, but it's not going to be that much of a difference. So, and then if you want to go into actual flywheel numbers, since these numbers are rear wheel horsepower numbers, you can generally use as a good rule of thumb now, because like I was saying in the previously, is the transmissions are so good now, the general rule of thumb is 20-25% drivetrain loss doesn't play into effect. Usually if you try to use those numbers, your numbers are going to be skewed somewhat. So we generally try to use on these newer cars, if we're making like 776, and I said I had about 15% drivetrain loss, which could be, on the safe side. That thing is producing about 890 at the crank. And torque wise, about 816 foot-pounds of torque, which is actually a little bit higher than what Dodge is saying that car makes. I think from the factory it's saying it makes 840. And what was the torque numbers they claim on the flywheel? 770. So it's roughly about 40 horsepower more. So if that was, all that things being true, the car is probably a little bit underrated from Dodge. So those are, fantastic numbers for sure. And all, as being today, it's super cool outside and stuff. You're getting primo conditions to make really good horsepower and stuff too. So that definitely helps.
Okay. So what do you think about the Dodge Demon as a factory?
As a factory car, I mean, it's definitely pretty, impressive. I mean, you're taking a factory car and being able to go out and run 10-second quarter-mile times. And some guys already, I know, dipped into the 9s and stuff in full drag mode with those cars. So to buy a car and be able to go out there and just beat on it like that with a factory warranty, I mean, you can't ask for that.
There you go, guys. We got it right from the owner at Gearheads. So once again, thanks, Travis, and
oh, you're welcome.
We'll get back over here. We change it up with some more goodies. Take care.
Sounds good.